Hey guys, Mike again. Today, our good buddy Eric Kennedy finally is off his deathbed. We're going to do some cold side piping today. It's aluminum. I don't weld aluminum. I really don't weld anything for that matter, but I definitely don't do aluminum. So we've been waiting on Eric. He's been under the weather. Finally feels better and decided that we're going to shut the shop down a little early. We're going to weld some aluminum. Here we go. All right, we got all that done. Just did a bunch of time-lapse videos of it and whatnot. No real special way we did anything. Just mocked it up, measured twice, cut once. Anyways, now that the cold side's done, next we're gonna finish up a little bit of the hot side, and then we'll work on trying to cram a 5-inch pipe somewhere in between a frame rail and a wheel so we can run it out the back or the side, whichever comes first. But yeah, so it all looked pretty good to me. I think it's gonna work. We haven't added blow-off valves yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna run them. I know some people say you have to, some people say you don't. I don't know yet. We'll just kind of wing it. We'll see what happens. Yeah, so that's going to be all for this video. Remember, please subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell, and let us know what you think. We are open to tips and tricks, welding, fabricating, anything like that. I mean, we'll try anything. Yeah, until next time, guys. See ya.